Hi, my name is Dylan Joshimpole, and this is my newest project that I've been working on. This is actually a question bank system for the USMLE that will simulate the USMLE Step 1. I noticed that all the existing systems are for pay, so I made an open source version. So you could log in. It was built using PHP, JSON, Knockout, and JQuery. This is the control panel, which is similar to my other projects. Since there's an integrated news site, you could post articles and write articles on the website as well if you like. This is the create your test for the actual question bank section, and how many questions you want to use, as well as how many questions you want on your test, whether it's timed or not timed. So you gotta say you want to start the test. So now, since I only have 3 questions in the system, you'll only get 3 questions, and so then you choose your question's answer. So you can go to the next question. You could choose lock questions, and then you won't be able to change it. You could also flag questions to come back to later. Just like on the USMLE, you can take notes during your test, and you could also take down the lab values. And then when you finish the test, you go to end block. Asks you if you are sure you want to end it. Go to yes. And then you'll get your breakdown by subject after you finish your test. So I got none of the questions right because I don't think I remember the answers, but let's try that again in order to get the correct answers, and then you'll see. The backend is MySQL. I believe question 1's answer was B. Question 2 was also B. And question 3 was also B. I must have got one of the questions right this time. Okay, I got one of the questions right, and as you can see, I got breakdown by subject. Since there's one histology, one neuroanatomy, and one physiology question, I got the physiology question right. I put all the questions under one category, so which was renal urinary. So the percent of questions correct for me would be 33.33%. You also have other tabs here. You can see your test history, so you can look at how you performed over time. So I've performed this test multiple times. You could also see the cumulative statistics that you've had. So at the moment, I've performed the test quite a few times. So on average, I get 30% of the time I get the histology question right, 45% of the time I get the neuroanatomy question right, 70% of the time the physiology question right, and 48.3% of the time I get the correct category. Well, you know what I mean. You can also add questions. So you'll be able to add a question if you like to the system if you're an administrator. I'm going to actually expand the ability of the system in the near future, so that it will stand out from other existing pay-for systems. So it will actually be better even though it's free. But this is part 1. Stay tuned for the rest of the things I'll be doing for the system. Thank you.